My name is Tatiana Petrov and I will speak about centralization battery recycle in my presentation. I'll present today the introduction, the problem identification. And the first slide, the introduction, I'll say about electric auto manufacturing is quickly growing, yet that upsurge cause a significant challenge which is addressed for the management of the growing amount of the battery waste. The existing recycle system cannot meet such a magnitude both sustainable and adequately. Moreover, the mining of major components such as lithium and cobalt also induce grave environment concern and ethical dilemmas. Such as using child labor in the mining of this component. These issues highlight the necessity of a strong, ethical battery recycle infrastructure. In the next slide, I will speak about the problem identification, about the International Energy Agency estimated the number of EFs of the road may grow by more than 12 millions for 2030, which leaves a potential target of 11 million tons of battery waste. They introduce an immediate requirement for battery life cycles solution. The recycle industry is expected to present massive business opportunity, especially with the recycle industry alone estimated to be at one expected level of 18 billion. It is not only the interest of the manufacturer but consumer and the planet too. It is a business prospect and ecological duty. In the next slide, I will speak about ethical consideration and environment social government, which one is resolving option to high complement of the principles of environment social government. It is also environmentally friendly by cutting on the extraction of raw materials, thus reducing emission and ecological degradation. Socially, it will assist a struggling against unethical mining process such as child labor in a cobalt mining. In government terms, it created transparency and responsibility in the supply line. In a summary, the recycle infrastructure contributes toward a cycle economy and responsibility innovation. The for sustainability is a central operating and ethical principle. In the next slide, I will speak about innovation solution. Solution generated where our proposed solution is included automatic disassembly for efficiency, centralization hubs for scalable, recycle, and second life energy storage to maximum battery use. Together created a sustainable circular solution for EF battery waste. In the next slide, I will speak about selection solution. It's centralization battery recycle hubs. We chose centralization recycle hubs for the scalability and high recovery efficiency. These hubs will use robotic and AI to disassembly and recover valuable materials, provide environment and economic returns. In the next slide, I make a table and implementation plan for 12 months, progress for feasibility studies and partner engagement to prototype development, pilot facility, construction, and finally public campaign and scaling preparation, involving diverse stakeholders and allocated resources for each phase. And next slides, I will speak about innovation audit and risk, which is according According to our innovation audit, we found there were three significant obstacles, namely expensive startup cost, patched battery design, and complicated rules. Nevertheless, this risk can be dealt with. Public-private partnership will help to alleviate stress on the budget, whereas the modular system will suit different types of battery. On involvement of policymaker, an early stage keep the regulation consistent. It is by taking action against this problem that we'll be able to create a sustainable, flexibility and scalable recycling infrastructure that allow the electric vehicle ecosystem to grow and become successful in the long term. And the next slide, it's recommendation. To success, a strong national mandate is need to provide a legal mechanism. Strategic partnership are necessary that will accelerate infrastructure and technology development. Public campaign and incentive are needed to activate the consumer engagement. And close collaboration with regulation is needed to ensure compliance and more smooth implementation across regional markets. Collectively, these measures will create sustainable growth in a battery recycle. In the next slide, I put some key findings. The urgent battery recycle solution are in the high demand due to the high market share as the issue of high impact and scalability and society with centralization hubs. This strategy management, environment, economic and moral issues for the cooperation of stakeholders in a variety of industry, which is why making such a move is an effective step to a circular sustainable mobility. The next slide is a conclusion. In the conclusion, the battery recycling infrastructure is not only the solution but also is a necessity. It generates employment, preserves natural resource and exchange protection of the environment. Such a move is crucial toward long-term sustainable in the armed vehicles ecosystem and the circular economy. This is my presentation. Thank you very much.